Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today I'm going to show you another blend trick in Illustrator. Alright, first step, make sure that you're on the stroke. Click on the stroke, select the color, click on the fill, click on the none so you don't have anything on the fill. You can do it with fill also. We're going to do this without this time. I'm going to select the polygon tool, the hexagon, press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up, and now press the upper arrow. So basically you're going to multiply these corners. I'm going to leave it some like this. I'm also going to put the stroke to the center. So as you can see here, align stroke to center. There you go. I'm going to decrease the weight of the stroke. And from here, we're going to go to the effects, distort and transform, puppet and bloat. We're going to pull this to the bloat side until you're going to look something like this. Click OK, go to Object, Expand Appearance. And now we're going to select the Direct Selection tool and select these anchor points. So I'm going to press and hold Shift and basically going to select multiple anchor points at the same time. And you know, basically we remain with the last anchor point, and if I click on this, basically it's going to change here the options. So I'm going to uncheck this anchor point so I can click here on the cut path, add selection, selected anchor point. So click on that. So right now every path is cut in pieces except this one. So I'm going to cut this separately. I'm going to select this anchor point and do it again. Here we're going to go to the stroke profile and select the first one. Select them all, right click, group, and press Ctrl C. Then Ctrl F, or you can go to Edit, paste in front, press and hold Shift plus Alt and scale the copy down. As you can see, it's going to be really thick. I'm going to decrease the stroke thickness. Okay, select both, go to Object, Blend, Make, and double click here on the blend. Select Specified Steps, increase the copies. I'm going to go with 18. And there you have it. This is how you make this flower using the pucker and bloat and the blend. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.